All that rain from last night, well, yesterday, last night type shit, flooded it somewhat. Those right there, you can believe it or not, you were able to walk up on it and like touch them, but you can't right now. They're in the water. Yeah, get to walk through a puddle. Anyhow, figure I'd do this just for the hell of it. See, it's all flooded. And then you got the river. All that shit's flooded. Look, technically, you're able to walk up on all those. And they're all halfway underwater. Ain't no way I'll fucking step in that shit. Become a mutant in the end. There goes old Joe's Krabby Patty. Worked there for over 2.5 years almost. Man, don't get it twisted. I loved the job at one point. But then I started feeling like they was doing me like shit, man. Real talk. See people, the beautiful people, the beautiful people, the beautiful people, the beautiful people, worked my ass off for them fuckers. And all I got done, in the end, I get treated like shit. Good times. Oh shit, more people.